If you would like to know how you can lose weight in a short period of time, then the best way is through a ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet will trigger ketosis, which will cause a rapid loss of body fat. When carbohydrates are restricted for a couple of days, the body will start to produce ketones. This alternative fuel source comes with many benefits for the brain and nervous system, while it simultaneously promotes weight loss. Once the body enters ketosis and starts to burn ketones for fuel, most ketogenic dieters will experience increased energy levels and decreased appetite. This leads to the consumption of fewer calories, resulting in more weight loss. Another reason why ketosis and weight loss are linked is that ketones have a mild diuretic effect. This is important to know because many people will mistake their rapid weight loss on keto as if it is all coming from fat. In reality, the rapid weight loss that occurs in the first week of the ketogenic diet is mostly due to water loss. Typically, during the first week of the keto diet, people see a very quick drop in weight, anywhere from 2 to 10 pounds. This is unrivaled by any other diet, but it is also not all coming from fat. In fact, most of this weight loss is the result of the body shedding the extra water weight it was holding onto as a consequence of carbohydrate consumption. This can cause flu-like symptoms, which is why it is essential to drink plenty of water and follow the suggestions that you'll find in our guide to the keto flu. After a week or two of keto dieting, weight loss will happen at a slower and more steady pace. This is also the period of time when the body becomes keto adapted as it switches from burning carbs to burning fat. How fast will you lose weight with keto? Once you've made it through the first week of keto and you are in ketosis, fat will steadily fall off your body as long as you are in a calorie deficit. The average weight loss at this point is around 1 to 2 pounds per week, the majority of it coming from fat. As you get closer to your goal weight and your overall body weight decreases, weight loss will slow down. This happens because as your weight decreases, so will your daily caloric needs. For this reason, you may want to recalculate your calorie needs every month or so. Keep in mind that weight loss may not be consistent either. You might have some weeks where it seems you haven't lost anything, then you'll weigh yourself a week or two later and be down 3 to 4 pounds. How fast will you lose weight with keto? What is behind the seemingly unpredictable and unique nature of your weight loss rate? Here are some of the critical factors that determine how fast the pounds will come off. Your calorie deficit. The one factor that leads to the most significant and consistent weight loss is a calorie deficit. In other words, when we consume fewer calories than we need to maintain our weight, we will lose weight. This means that your weight loss rate will usually increase as your total calorie consumption decreases. However, there are limits to how far you should take your deficit. The human body is designed to prevent massive amounts of weight loss during times of starvation via mechanisms that make long-term fat loss much harder to achieve and maintain. Because of this, it is never a good idea to starve yourself for extended periods of time. Research indicates that calorie deficits above 30% are enough to stimulate some of these counterproductive mechanisms for long-term fat loss. Your current health status. Your overall health plays a major role in how fast you will lose weight and adapt to a lower carb diet. If you have any hormonal or metabolic issues, weight loss might be slower or a bit more challenging than expected. Insulin resistance, excess visceral fat, and thyroid issues, for example, can all have a significant impact on your weight loss rate. Your body composition. Do you have a lot of fat to lose? How much muscle do you have? The people who have the most to lose will tend to shred the fat at a much faster rate than those who have a few extra pounds to burn off. This phenomenon is mostly explained by the fact that obese individuals can easily maintain a much larger calorie deficit, which will result in faster weight loss. Muscle mass also plays a vital role in weight loss because it helps keep your metabolic rate from dropping significantly as you lose weight. This can help stabilize your weight loss rate and may even prevent a dreaded weight loss plateau. Your daily habits. Your daily habits will make or break your weight loss efforts. Consistency is the key to keto success. Are you eating clean keto foods or high-fat junk foods with low-quality ingredients? Are you watching out for hidden carbs? Are you exercising? Eating the right foods in the right amounts for your goals and adding more physical activity to your daily life are the most important pieces of a smooth and successful body transformation. When we take a step back and look at the bigger picture of our fat loss rate, predictable patterns began to emerge. For example, the people who typically see the slowest weight loss are those who are sedentary and overweight with poor metabolic health and eating habits that don't exercise or keep track of their carb and/or calorie consumption. Conversely, those who start with more muscle and decent metabolic health that are disciplined enough to stick to their diet plan, maintain a calorie deficit, and increase their physical activity levels will typically lose weight more quickly and get the results they want. In general, everyone's health and lifestyle is different, which means the weight loss rate for each person is going to be different too. We do, however, share one thing in common: each one of us can optimize our body composition with our diets. If you are interested in losing weight rapidly, then please try the 28-day Keto Diet Challenge by clicking the link in the description box.